Unknown armed miscreants attacked Moirangpurel village in Imphal East District early morning today. The area falls under the jurisdiction of Manipur police station. According to news received by SKTV from the spot, around 8:30 a.m. some unknown armed miscreants attacked Moirangpurel village from the front side of Kamuching with indiscriminate firing followed by shelling of bombs. In response, village volunteers of Moirangpurel area retaliated that led to heavy exchange of gunfire till 9 a.m. However, there have been no reports of casualties on the side of village volunteers and locals since the villages were relocated to safer areas during the gunfight. Security forces have begun taking measures to protect the area. The incident came barely 24 hours after a similar attack at Phelyang village of Machi block in Technopal district by armed miscreants which left 2 persons injured.
Oi,